Hi everyone, it's the 5th of September and this is the weekend post. We start with E-mini ES contract. You can see here the initial breakout happened back in August. That bring it all the way to over 3,500, and then what we had was maybe this we could have a look maybe longer term. It looked like one second. Yeah, it looked like this was completely disregarded for a while. You can see here it's kind of like, I don't like this kind of inaccuracy. I don't think this held and then it really declined. I don't take it as this as a resistance, but many do. Many people do that, and that's fine. Right now, here, the blue support held initially, and we had a like 40-50 handles bounce from here. But then yesterday, it really sold off and back tested that blue resistance and the golden top band. So this golden channel is the one to watch. And this, of course, it looks like a bull flag. Maybe we get a new low all the way at the green bottom band, and that would confirm it as a green channel. And from there on, if it bounces, then there would be another surge all the way to 3,500 again, and possibly higher, close to 3,600. Actually, the highs were around, very close to 3,600. So the critical one here is the green bottom band, and that level is, I'm going to tell you, is 3,330, and that's the one to be very careful about. And that we may find an interim low and keep on rallying. And this is ES, this one didn't hold. So that's the green bottom band is the one to watch. Okay, guys. DAX didn't get to a new all-time high, and I believe it's going to do eventually. And the critical one here is also this golden channel. The blue internal support held initially, you can see here, and then finally broken to the downside. We may see another dive on Monday to backtest the black and the green supports again. This would be a double support. Just like ES, we make a new low and then maybe break the golden channel, which would be a bull flag breakout, to get to 29 grand and 30,000 pounds, $30,000. So, and of course, the ultimate support is the blue bottom band. That's a potential support. That's a potential channel. But I don't think it's going to get there very soon, because we have all these black and green supports to contain this sell-off. And Nasdaq, for the first time since April, May, for the first time, it dropped below this blue internal rail. Look at this. Every time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, and even this one maybe 10 times, this blue support rail held, but then now it's broken to the downside. So, and it's back testing it, which is why we may see Nasdaq come down again, possibly test this blue support, which is, a reflection into the future of this support that is in April, and then bounce and get to new highs. That is very much a possibility. Of course, the blue entire channel is speculative right now. We need to see what happens at the blue bottom band when it gets there. Russell, the red channel looked like a bull flag. Once it bounced from here, it looked like a bull flag, but then I warned you that this golden resistance, you can see here that was a golden channel. That resistance's back test may hold, and we may come down to break it to the downside, and that's what it did. which is why we shorted 1533, and I closed right around here, because that the moment it bounced off, there is no reason to hold the entire position, so we close half at 1502, and also it was maybe as a green support as well. So we will see what happens with this blue support, and if it does break, then we may see more downside. Actually, the blue channel is not a channel yet, so to make it a channel and a trend channel, this will be what I would be looking at. Okay, this red bottom band, yeah, this is where I would be buying if it bounces. This is where I would be buying, and that would be something like this. Okay, so this will be a double support, and the level for that is 1491. We'll see. Okay, so that's where I would be looking at for next week's support potentials. FTSE bounced off the red and golden supports quite a few times. Look at this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it still managed to hold. We'll see, probably, maybe we see a bit more downside on Monday, but if this double support holds, I believe we'll see a rally to 6,000, and if the golden channel later on breaks, the red top band at 6,300 may be possible. This level is very critical, and DAX just formed with the law on Friday, just formed this perfect blue channel, and we may be within this golden one and comes down, and if, as long as this blue channel holds, this golden channel may become a bull flag to take Dow all the way to 13,500, and if it comes there, comes back, and then breaks it, I would be a big buyer of DAX again. I'm saying again because we were long anyway. Oil, you can see here the red support was broken and it came down hard once it was broken. The blue support initially held, this internal support, and the bottom band obviously is, the blue bottom band is around 3750 or just above it. And this blue bottom band, if it holds, I would be a buyer for a swing low, swing high. Nat gas. First, the golden big channel was broken, and then the blue top band initially, which held initially, was broken to the upside, back tested, and the green unorthodox channel, I would say, because the top band's here and the bottom band is a bit, it looks like a weird channel, but it still meets the rules. And then was broken, back tested, so it was squeezed between the blue support and the green resistance. And just Friday I showed this red bull flag, and that was broken on Friday, towards the end of Friday. And I believe we're going to get to the back test of the green again, and if it does break into it, then we have another channel that is not possible to see, but it's a trend that is forming from 1500. That is what I have in mind for nat gas. And gold here is meeting the green resistance rail, so it's still holding, and the golden one is a bull flag. And if it does come down on on Monday or Tuesday, all the way to the 1875, 1880, to meet this double support, here, 1880, I would be a buyer to get to new highs. This is where I want gold to find a nice support. We'll have to see, but it looks really gorgeous potential support at 1880. And silver is very, very flickery. How can you say, not flickery? Forgot the word. Fickle. Yes, it's very fickle. You can see here the red support it was holding, and it would look like it was breaking, and then eventually it bounced back, and I thought then the golden channel was breaking, but then now it's kind of basically stuck in between. So silver will decide on Monday. It has to decide either break the golden for good and to get to the probably 28 again, or red bottom band breaks and we get to see another dive to the blue support. You can see here the blue support held quite a few times, 1 2 3 4 5, and the green support is waiting also for silver to find a low. I would be very happy to get to see a low here right around, let me see, what's the level, 25.30, 25.31 spot, futures, and then rally. That would be a very nice low to buy into. Okay, similar to gold, yeah, and platinum. Obviously platinum, I want to see this double support. We are short, and I would be reversing the trade at this double support and then buy it at 865, 870-ish. Okay, have a good rest of the weekend. Bye. Oh, sorry, I forgot forex. No, I forgot forex. Euro is also at a very, very critical level. Okay, the purple bottom band did a big fake on Friday. That was a fake, really nasty fake, and the golden bottom band is holding as well. So this is a very critical level to watch. The red channel, okay, the red channel is a bull flag in my view. Is a potential bull flag. So it has, maybe we come down a bit on Monday, and then after that, if it breaks, then I think there is another big bounce all the way to the purple top band, and the fourth touch on the purple top band will break it, in my opinion, and euro will rally to 125, 130, 140, 150, 160 over the coming years. And you know why? There is a big trend that is going to be broken at around 120.50, 121. So get ready to buy euro big time. But for now, this support may also break, and then euro may drop really big to 115. So it remains to be seen. Very critical levels here. Pound, the previous green channel, so I'm going to delete this green channel because it's not. Current action here is this blue, golden and purple support. That was a triple support at the low of Friday, and the purple channel is a bull flag. If it's broken to the upside, it calls for a new buy. Aussie dollar is now within the golden channel. I want to believe this is the golden bottom band. The top band is here, but because it's a very long-term one, it's hard to pinpoint where the bottom band's second touch would be. But this is a good candidate. Let's put it that way. This is a very good candidate. So I'm voting for this golden channel, and the red bull flag is broken and it's getting back tested. So I believe Aussie dollar has more upside. Similarly, Kiwi, Kiwi has already bounced and confirmed this golden channel, and the red sideways, or like a diagonal rising channel, that's like an interim channel, and the blue top band is broken, which is why I'm long, and then I expect to get to the red top band for the fourth touch and even break it and get to 72, 75. That's the level I would be aiming for, but we'll see. Yeah, and last but not least is US dollar, Japanese yen. So this is the red channel, is the one that is driving it down. The red resistances are holding, okay, and the broken blue channel was back tested, the green support was broken. I know it's a lot of colors, a lot of lines, but they all have a meaning. And as long as this red resistance is holding, there is a good chance US dollar Japanese yen will tank. So maybe the golden bottom band holds, and then big breakdown, this would become a bear flag, and then I would be shorting UJ again if it does happen that way. Okay, take care, have a good weekend, bye.